All right, what were we looking at?
These ones over here. You can kind of see that there are some missing pins, and I don't know if that's supposed to be like that, because it is symmetrical.
I think it's fine.
Symmetrical.
I don't know what each pin stands for or
And then,
does, but
and over here,
it's
those
fine.
two are missing.
What's two?
The third ones, or the second one, if you consider it that one.
Are you talking about in here?
On here.
Oh. Oh, I see them.
I don't know if they're supposed to be
It's
like
fine. No, they're fine.
that.
I
And
don't
that
think.
one.
I don't
And
think
that one.
it's. See, they're all the same.
They're all missing something, and it's making me worry.
You're doing your
And that one, but not that one.
You're receiving inspection, and you're all frucked out that something's wrong already.
Yes.
It's fine. It's gonna be fine. Okay.
All right.
All right.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that. Ryzen 5 7600X.
All the pads gonna line up.
Line
Do you know which orientation to put it in?
Line up that arrow with that arrow.
There's your key. Okay.
People say it's an awkward amount of force. Next, I am going to do the M.2.
The M.2.
Also known as storage. This is the first card that showed up.
Ooh.
1 terabyte drive.
A 1 terabyte.
M.2 NVMe drive.
Nice.
I need a screwdriver.
Oh,
Wait a
man.
minute. Alrighty. Where is this? And of course, none of these bags with tiny little screws in them tell me on the package whether or not they're for the M.2s, for the...
Did you get the screw out that was missing?
No, not yet. Yes.
Where is it? Okay, set it down.
Where's the baggie it came in? There's the baggie it came in.
Give me the screwdriver.
It's Phillips head. It should be tight.
That should. You've got that? Did you got the other one?
Yeah, I did the other one. I did the little wiggle test.
Okay.
Okay.
Think you've got good contact?
I think I got good contact. I think I had good contact the second I installed it.
Okay. Because it needs to touch for that heat sink to...
It clicked in.
Okay.
16 gigabytes of RAM. Channel A2 and B2. Which way did they go in? Like that? No, like that. I really don't want to break it.
Did it seat?
No.
Okay, we got one.
Got
Right.
one.
Oh, do the other one.
Takes a lot of force, and I don't like that.
Yeah. You were afraid to break it.
Very. They don't sound like good noises. It It's an awkward amount of force. It's
Did
an
it
awkward
lock?
amount of
The
force.
side-
Yes, they locked.
The card locks are in? Okay.
Okay. Now,
All right. Now that you're over that, because you were scared to break your very expensive
storage.
DDR5 Pro.
Storage, RAM, motherboard, CPU. Let's see. Seems like it fits a lot better.
That fits a lot better with the standoffs.
I think so. The next problem that I'm gonna have to find out how to solve is that.
You got them all mounted? This is not mounted.
No, I don't have that side mounted yet. But I consider that a solved problem because I just did it once. Thermal paste.
Thermal paste it.
I'm going to do a pea-sized dot. Bigger than a pea, but whatever.
Pea-sized dot.
Too much thermal paste is better than too little. Now, next problem.
Is the fan.
How do I get that on there? Confused. Yo soy confused. There ain't screw holes.
Is there a bracket?
Is that what that's for?
Is that glue? Whoop.
No, that's not what that's for.
That's not what that's for.
Is that what these are for?
That might be what those are for.
This shape is so confusing I don't even know where to start.
Is it about the same length as this?
About
Oh, yeah.
there.
So now we've
Cooler?
secured the fan
It's got thermal paste.
to the heat sink.
It's fully pasted up and
It's fully pasted up. Are we done for today? The graphics card we're going to install later. You've got a mount for it anyway that you solid model printed,
yeah.
right?
That is a stand and it will go about there and it will stop.
This is your solid model print?
Yeah.
For your graphics card?
Yeah, you know why I had that magnet in my pocket from earlier?
Why? Why did you have a magnet? You need to use it? It fits in here?
Mm-hmm.
And then
If that's tall enough, then I'm going to glue that in and put it in my computer to make sure it doesn't move ever.
where does the graphics card fit? In this Pixie?
That one.
And that one.
That one has a...
And then it stands up? And
it shouldn't take... It will not take any effort to install it, I don't think.
no,
Knock on
just
wood.
tell me, where do you think this goes?
It's
Leave it.
in the case, like this. Holding up the graphics card from this end.
And then where does it floats?
No. In the case, it'll stand on top of the power supply a little area thing.
Okay. All right.
And if there isn't, and it's on the top, it adjusts. So I can have it like on the ground. Or I can print it bigger.
Okay.
That's why I haven't glued in the magnet.
Right. You're not sure if it's the right size.
It might need to be bigger, it might need to be smaller, don't know.
Okay.
Also, I want to check to see if it fits now.
Of course you do.
Don't worry. Gonna get to see his beautiful Intel Arc B580 unboxing, even though I already opened it like thrice. Ta-da! Pop that up. Cool. Right?
And then your standoff does what now?
So you see how I'm holding it up with my finger?
I do see how you're holding it with your finger.
It'll sink down like that.
It's a little wobbly.
Is not good.
So
And-
this just sits here like this between the case and...
More like this, probably, but here would work. So
Oh, I blinked. You're working.
Yeah.
What are you doing now?
So far, all I've really done is put the power supply in. I put it on upside down like thrice.
Thrice?
Yeah. So you know how they say don't make the same mistake twice?
Well, you didn't. You did it thrice.
I did 2 extra times for good measure.
Okay.
So
Okay, what do we got? We ready? Ready to finish this thing up?
about,
Got your monitor here.
I still want to test it before I throw it all in case.
Why? Why not just put it all together?
Because then I'd have to take it apart if it doesn't
It's gonna work. Why do you think it's not gonna work?
I said if. I took about every precaution I can when building this thing.
Then it's gonna be fine. So we got.
See if the things work. That was under everything. Okay. Great graphics.
Is the fan spinning?
Look at that.
I can't. Fan spin. Is it pulling off any heat? Is it hot already? How long does it take to get hot?
No, it's
Don't
actually
touch
really
it.
cool.
Okay,
It's
well,
pulling air through there and pushing
cool.
it there. Turn it on. See
None of
if
the other fans are going.
Yeah, those aren't plugged in.
They're not plugged in. Okay, okay.
The leads are too short for me to plug it in from here.
All right, let's see if we get a prompt. See if you get a BIOS prompt.
Age-old technique. Nope.
No signal.
Thought that it had integrated graphics, but I'm not sure. Oops. And that's a display port. I am smart.
Okay. Well. All right, we have it booted up finally.
It's in BIOS.
It's in BIOS. Good grief, that was a lot of hassle.
And it's 1827.
It's the year 1827.
No, that's the time.
Oh.
It's 1827.
Okay. But it's booting. It functions.
And it's the first of last year.
So it's running.
Mm-hmm.
Bump it.
I'm going to put that in the case tomorrow.
So now that you've got it running, we can turn it off.
Yep.
We can properly assemble it in its case. Put your graphics card in.
That's happening in the case.
And just finish the assembly. And the easy part is over. That was the easy part.
No. The easy part is going to easily be OS.
No. The easy part's going to be installing Mint.
Yeah.
Why?
This, to put it lightly, has been a 3-day endeavor.
It's been a little more complicated than you anticipated?
Yeah. I anticipated it for it to be more complicated than I thought, though.
You thought it was just going to be plug and play?
I thought it was going to be really annoying, but I thought I could figure it out.
Could you figure it out?
Eventually.
Did you run into some problems?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we worked through them.
You want to know what helped me the most?
Me?
Yeah, fair enough. You want to know what helped me the most with that the light problem?
What?
When you said 8-pin, I went 8. And then I saw that 8-pin, and I was like, oh, wait, is that it?